Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. So in today's video I will be trying out the 20 something cosmetics blenders and also their face palette, which actually looks like this. So let's start with the beauty blender. So I have two beauty blenders. So first one is this and the second one is this green one. So I really like the softness of this, so I'm definitely going for this one. So I'm definitely going for the white one, and you can see it's now a damp and it just got bigger and it's more squishy now. So I'm definitely going to include this in my giveaway. So let's try this one. So for foundation, I'm using my Fit Me foundation. I'm in the shade 310. It definitely blends out the foundation really nicely and quickly. So let's see how it blends my Sugar Ace of Face foundation. I'm just going with another layer on top of my Fit Me foundation to just see how it blends. It definitely blends very quickly and you can see that. Now applying a little bit of concealer underneath my eye. Yes, I can see it definitely blended out my foundation and concealer beautifully. So I'm impressed with the sponge and it's very soft. It's not harsh. I really like this. Now I'm going to quickly set my face using the Forever 52 Wet n Dry Compact Powder and I'm in the shade 03 Natural. Now let's try out this palette, and it has some beautiful shades, a contour shade, a blush and a highlighter and some beautiful, eyeshadow bright shades. So let's try out the contour shade first. Alright, the pigmentation is not bang on, but still it's very nice and it definitely blends nicely. So it has two blush option. I am going for this one. The blush is very beautiful. It also has a little bit of shimmers, so it definitely gives a really nice glow. Now let's try out the highlighter. I'm expecting it to be firm, and it is. So now I am going to do my brows off camera and then we'll go on to my eye makeup. Now I am going to use the 20 something cosmetics makeup fixer. Just shake it well and then so now it's time for my eye makeup. So let's do something blue. I am not in a mood of doing dramatic eye makeup honestly, so let's do something quick. So let's do a blue, orange and yellow smoky eye. Let's do that. Something bright, definitely. First I'm taking the yellow shade on my PAK 393 brush and I'm going to apply that on my crease. Next I'm taking the orange shade and applying that on my crease again. Using the same shades on my lower lash line. I'm taking the blue shade, I'm going to apply this all over my eyelid. Okay, the shade is very nicely pigmented, you guys, as you can see that. But I do see a little bit of fallout, but that's okay. So now I'm going to finish off this eye look with some mascara. I'm using the Forever 52 Lengthening Mascara. So now I'm going to apply the same highlighter on my inner corner and a little bit on the brow bone as well. So eye makeup is done. I'm not going for any falsies. So I'm going to finish off this eye and I will go for the lipstick next. So guys, eye makeup is done. I went for something very simple and smoky. So now coming to the liquid lipstick, using the two shades I have. This is 02 and 03. I'm going for a ombre lip. For center, I'm going for the shade 03. Coming to the palette, I really like the contouring shade, the blush and the highlighter. Even this blush is really pretty. Let me swatch it for you guys. So this is the bronzer. I hope it's visible. Okay. Next is the blush, which I have used today. Then I have the highlighter, and then lastly the other shade, which is the blush shade. So here are the four face products. Now let's talk about the eyeshadows. Definitely the blue shade is very pigmented, but when you try to blend it, it just disappears. So you have to apply a concealer or eye primer and then apply this shadow so that it doesn't move. Then I have the yellow shade, which is beautifully, nicely pigmented. Because of the price range, I think it's beautiful. Next up is the orange shade. Next I have this pink shade, which is so pretty. Oh my god, I should have used the pink one, but okay, next time. So this is yellow, blue, orange, pink. The pink shade is bang on. Next is the red shade. Then have the purple one, the pigmentation, oh my god. And lastly the lime green. The shades are really nice, nicely pigmented. If you guys want me to do some other looks with just this, let me know. So guys, I'm definitely going to recommend this palette. The price of this is 399. I am going to mention the link where you can buy this in the description box below. So now let's talk about the sponge. I think it blended out my foundation, my concealer really nicely, and definitely it blended seamlessly. And for 199, I think you should definitely give this one a try. Now lastly, coming to the lipsticks, I think these are very comfortable. It's not drying at all. Even the shade are really pretty. Definitely impressed with this shade. It looks really nice. Let me just swatch it for you guys. So here is that shade. Next up we have this nude pink. So here is the swatch. So yeah, that is it you guys. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also don't forget to check out the description box below. I'm going to mention the link where you can buy these products. So thank you for watching. I hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Mwah. Bye guys.